Polenta sometimes gets a bad rap, but I think it's a fantastic midweek dinner if you cook it correctly. To start, we need some stock and we need to bring it up to the boil. Now, I'm going to be using a superior chicken stock. You want as much flavour in your stock as possible. This one is, of course, made with real vegetables, real chicken, so it is full of flavour. So we'll say 1 litre of stock to about 200 to 250 grams of instant polenta. But be sure to read the packet instructions because every polenta is different. Now that the stock is boiling, we can rein in our instant polenta. So just from a height, rein it in so it doesn't clump. And then we want to get a whisk and constantly whisk this. And this is only going to take a minute. Now, once you see these almost volcanic eruption-like bubbles, you know that it's ready. So we're going to turn the heat off, and this is where we can add a generous amount of cheese. I'm using Parmesan and lots of butter. Polenta loves butter, so we want about 25 grams of butter. I'm using some salted butter, so we'll just cut that into small little bits. And in that goes. And the residual heat of this polenta will just melt everything away. And you know it's ready when it drips off the whisk, just like this. If you've got a little bit of leftover roast pumpkin, which I do today, it's a great base for a really delicious, fast midweek dinner. We'll add a dent in the centre, and then we'll add some pumpkin. I always like to leave the skin on the pumpkin, much more flavour. We can just pop that on top, and some more Parmesan, a little sprinkle, and some ricotta. Ricotta is just the best thing ever. Generous spoonful, and you need some texture here, so some nuts. My choice is hazelnuts. Top that off. So if you've got some polenta in the pantry, some chicken stock ready to go, you can have dinner prepared within moments.